What is up, guys? Brady with Mini Tech Clips, and no way I actually made a video, but it's happening, and we have the Nintendo Switch here to unbox and set up for you guys. So basically, 2020, it's a complete shit show, but something good has to come out of it. So we got a Nintendo Switch, and literally, if you don't know what this is, you might be living under a rock, but that's fine. Some people are inspired by Patrick Star. So basically this is the actual like Switch, and it's a device kind of like a DS or a 3DS, and you can play all kinds of like Mario games and stuff. And then these are the controllers that attach and detach to it, which is pretty cool. So it's like a portable game console, but the reason it's called a Switch is because you can switch it from the portable game console and actually dock it to your TV. So it's literally a whole console and a portable device at the same time, which is pretty sweet. So all they had in stock was gray. It's pretty crazy. So there's no blue and red controllers, which, it's a little unfortunate, but at the same time, this is all they had, and we want Nintendo now. So that's what we're rolling with. So these are the buttons. You can see here that you have A, B, X, Y, all that stuff. Some arrows and obviously a joystick on each side, because you can use these as, one controller, or you can split it two-player and, play sideways, and this is one person's controller and this is another person's controller. So I think that's kind of cool too. Now over here you have the actual Switch device. We'll set that aside for now. And then under this you have all of your cables and accessories, so we don't need that shit. Right here you have the actual controller mount, so these will, slide right into here. I'm not going to do it now, but basically these end up sliding into here on each side, and it kind of gives you a controller grip for these two things, so you're not stuck with if you were to actually put them together, be stuck with a rectangle or a square. So that's kind of dope, they include that. Here is the actual dock for your device. So go ahead and take this out of the package. So you have a little slot down here for your cable management, and then you stand it up just like this, and your Nintendo Switch slides right into there to your TV. Now, on the back here, this is where your ports are. So you have an HDMI, that's what's going to actually display to your TV, a USB Type-C, and a USB regular USB Type-A 3.0. So that's pretty cool. And then standard HDMI cable, nothing to say about that. And again, nothing to say about this, just a power cable, which does come in USB-C. So, if you're on the go, you got your phone charger with you, that's kind of all you need. You can power your phone, you can power your Switch, and you're pretty much good to go. Now, something that I didn't even notice right away was this little like sling, I guess, like put it on your wrist, and then you can attach one of the controllers to it, because I guess if you have some clumsy little kid playing this, you might want him to wear this so it doesn't destroy or break or lose the controller. So yeah. Oh, and just to clarify, it does come with two holders for each controller. So here I have the actual device itself. You can see on the sides you have the little slots for the two joystick controllers. You have the USB-C power on the bottom. This is actually going to charge it because, like I said, this is a portable device, so you can take it with you to different places. Now on the top we have power and volume. Simple but effective. Here's a fan grill, game card, so this is where you're actually going to put the little game cartridges in. So they're really, really small, just like a DS or anything of that nature. Headphone jack, 2020 still has it. Oh, something else. On the back here, there's actually a stand, and it acts as a stand, but also micro SD, so you can add some storage. So let's go ahead and power this up, see if it has any power. Here we go, boys. Alright, so now it's asking me to slide the two controller things on, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I don't know if there's, oh, okay. Oh, that's pretty easy. So it goes just like that. And then this one, obviously, boom. So now, got some haptic feedback, vibration. Now I will say, from the first glance, the speakers don't sound too overwhelmingly loud, but it's probably just like a DS, you'll have some sound. That's pretty much it. So English, we are from America. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna accept it. Searching for Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna breeze through this. Alright, so I got Mario Kart Deluxe 8 here, and we have the controller connected. Everything's on the TV, so all that's left to do is put in the game and see what it's about. Alright, we got the game here, so it's just a little cartridge, literally the size of like a DS game. So now I'm going to open the top up. There's a teeny tiny little slot, and then you put the game in, just like that, and boom, there we go. So up there, you can see that the game is in the system. And now we're gonna tear this bitch. So now it's asking select a me. I guess you have to create one. Bro, this is so ghetto. Like some of this like we character, me character bullshit. Like, come on, bro. That's never gonna look like you. What? All right, we got our character all selected. So you already know, put it in the Grand Prix, 50cc, baby. Let's get it. Dry bones. Select some random cart. All right, so before we go ahead and fucking, bro, we're gonna absolutely destroy these kids. I mean, I'm not even playing, my brother's playing. But yeah, so first place, baby, best in the game. I'm gonna end it on that note. Leave a like and subscribe, guys. More content to come later. That's it. Peace. Oh!